Hey everyone, my name's Justin Boats with Inferno Mobile Youth Arts Program. Have you ever stopped to listen and noticed that instead of silence, you were surrounded by incredible sounds? Today, teaching artist Johanna Brock will show us how to better listen to our environments by taking us on a sound walk of McKinley Park.
What is a soundwalk? To go on a soundwalk is to walk in an environment while paying close attention to the sound. Today, I'm walking in McKinley Park on the south side of Chicago. What sounds will we encounter as we pay close attention to the sounds in our environment? How does the medium of video change our perception of sound in the environment? For that matter, how do microphones change our perception of sound? Does temperature change our perception of sound? Does light or proximity
If you liked this video, make sure you like and subscribe so you can be informed of all the new tutorials and cool digital art related videos we're going to be making in the future. Also, make sure you check out the free Inferno cookbook by clicking on the link in the description. There you'll find recipes for all kinds of fun, creative projects and activities. Thanks for watching!